Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson with Mounts Automotive. Today I have a 2016 Ford Flex, clean Carfax, one owner. I'm going to walk you around this Flex real fast and show you some features on it. Alright, here's a good shot of your rims and tires. Now we have completed a full inspection on this Flex as well. We also put a 30-day warranty on everything that we sell too. This Flex has a lot of nice options on it as well too. You're going to have blind spot indicators built in right there. Power passenger seat. There's no rips or tears in these heated leather seats. No funny smells inside of this vehicle either. The previous owner was a non-smoker. Now we do have financing available. We have rates as low as 4.24, and we also work with people trying to rebuild their credit. Again, no rips or tears in these leather seats. Now your passengers in the back are going to have kind of a sunroof as well too. Those won't slide back though. Shot of your third row. Again, no rips or tears in the leather seats. This Flex will be equipped with a backup camera, backup sensors, and it's also going to be all-wheel drive, so it's going to be perfect in the wintertime. You're going to have a power lift gate, always nice to have. Another nice thing about these Flexes is they have the stow and go, kind of like a minivan. So you can see you have the deep storage down here. Then you're going to actually be able to fold your third row down flat in here to give you even more storage as well too. Always nice to have. Now we put a warranty on everything that we sell. I mentioned that earlier, but we also offer extended warranties too. Now there is an added cost into that, but we are able to take out the warranty all the way to 150,000 miles. Again, no rips or tears in these leather seats. No rips or tears in the seats in the back. Now your passengers in the back will have their own AC controls as well too. Guys, if you have any questions on this Flex, please feel free to give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. I'll be more than happy to take another video for you, more photos. Just let me know. I can make the process easy for you. I will do anything I can. When you guys come take a look at this, I don't want there to be any surprises at all. Let's hop in the driver's seat and look around a little more. Of course, you do have power windows, power locks. You're going to have memory seats on this vehicle as well. Power adjustable pedals. Power driver's seat. No rips or tears in these leather seats. I covered it earlier. You will have a sunroof as well too. You have push button start. You're also going to have remote start as well too. Always nice in the wintertime. Got the nice big touchscreen inside where you'll have heated seats. A backup camera, and you'll also have navigation as well too. No cracks in the dash, no chipping or cracking in the windshield. As I mentioned earlier, we have completed a full inspection on here. You'll have Bluetooth. You also have cruise control, of course, too. It's got 59,000 miles on it. We're going to put a warranty on it. We have financing to help you out. Guys, please give me a call if you're interested in this vehicle at 309-310-3034. I'll do anything I can to help you out. I'll make the process as easy as I can, and just let me know I can help. Thanks again.